As the name indicates, in today's video, we are going to study change theme for your website. In order to change the theme for your website, simply open the WordPress admin. Are you done? If yes, I'll be guiding you how to change the theme of your website. Once you reach the admin panel, check My Site. This will show you the current theme that you have selected for your website. So remember, we have selected this theme in the very beginning. So this is what our old theme is all about. It looks a bit dull since colors are very less. So it's the time to change the theme. Simply go to your dashboard. Under dashboard, go to Appearance, select Themes. After selecting the themes, there are different themes from 2019, 2017, 2016 also. But we want something new and fresh. So what we will do is, we will click on Add New Theme. After this, you will find some interesting themes. You can scroll down and see there are number of themes which are available to us. On the top, we also have the options such as Featured, Popular, Latest, Favorites, GoDaddy themes, as well as Feature Filter. Let us check one or the other options. For example, if I type the word study and find relevant themes to it, it gives me three options. Study Circle is somewhere related to education. Let us search for something else, say food. So for food, there are number of themes. As you can see on your StudyKosh screens, there are number of themes for my keyword food. Also, if I click on the latest themes, let us check out what are the latest themes that are available. So it has a good quality of themes. You can either select themes this way or the other way around is write the keyword related to your website. Every theme has details and preview. Let us see few more options which can fit to our website. So let us now select one of them. Let us say this one, Bring Back. Click on Details and Preview. Click Install button. This theme will take time to install. It is done. Now simply click Activate. And now we have the new theme with us. Let us visit our website. Seems interesting. So this is our new theme that we have just selected for our website, thestudykosh.com. We will be removing the dummy content that you can see currently at your screens, and we will be totally customizing our website. So this way, students, you can activate any theme for your website, whichever you like. If I click on Customize button, there you can see it is showing me you are customizing StudyKosh, as I have already mentioned this. Below I have three views, that is laptop view, tablet view, and lastly the mobile view. You can also see that how your website will look like at these three devices. So students, this was today's session in order to change the theme for your website. You can change themes time to time. Check how it looks on your live site. If it is appealing to you, proceed with it. If it is not appealing, try out some other options.